Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, I'm telling about tolerance. My aim here is just to give some background information on tolerance. So I've divided my talk into three sections. First, I will go about the meaning, definition, and the importance of tolerance. And I also give some examples from which we can relate in our daily life. And then we will look at the impact on our society, and if we don't do it, how our life by society affect. And finally, I will explain how to build tolerance in our life because we need it and its importance. Okay, let's begin with the first point, that what is tolerance? So tolerance is a word, comes from Latin tolerare, which means to bear or to suffer. Tolerance is a term used to describe other people's attitude and behavior. Tolerance also means that you don't put your opinion above those to others even when you are right. So, tolerance is an important concept that helps people to live together peacefully. And tolerance is a patience and treating the person with dignity and respect. For example, yesterday night, my neighbors fired so many firecrackers that my family and I lost sleep for many hours. But we didn't even say harsh words to them. Another example I would like to share is that if your friend are not returning your loan that they had borrowed from you many years ago, but you have to ask politely, not harshly, because they are your friends. So being kind to people. Now move on to impact on our society. So tolerance develops society, and sometimes on different occasion a person might fully disagree with other, or on any occasion from religion to politics, while at the same honoring with dignity and respect, treating the person with dignity. The world is full of tolerance. If there is no tolerance and diversity, the world will be boring and unattractive. And that is why we believe that tolerance is important and it is an essential aspect for a healthier and a peaceful society. Now, how to build tolerance in our life? So, I am explaining you 5 ways from which we can build tolerance in our life. So, our first point is own your feelings. Means when something bothers you about someone else, it is good to remember that it is bothering you. The other person may not be aware of your feeling. So, let alone and be prepared to change. And keep in mind that your feelings are your own and that you have the right to self mastery in your life. In this way, we can build tolerance. Our next point is look within. So look within yourself and find the source of your problem. By asking yourself, are you not receiving something that you want or need? And is that focus not on you? And why you get annoyed? Now moving on to check your ego. Other peoples are simply disturbing your flow. So when your stillness is disturbed, your mental and emotional health is being lined and you feel frustrated. And this inner tension shows your ego. So at that point, you can cultivate them by the ability of the importance of things you feel. Our last but not the least point is practice patience. So practicing patience with the disagreeable aspect of people improve tolerance. The universe allows room all of your beliefs and decisions. Our last point is meditate. Meditate can help cultivate tolerance and you can check by learn yourself when you react somebody, so you begin to react with grace and patience, and you will be able to offer the best version of yourself. Let me conclude this by a beautiful and a simple quote, which covers all the aspect of this. Timothy Keller truly says that tolerance is not about not having beliefs. It's about how you believe let you to treat people who disagree with you. So this is the end of my presentation. I hope you all enjoy it. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for listening.